Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start analyzing Bank Nifty. As you can see, there is a strong resistance above the level of or around the level of 30,950. Let us go to 15-minute chart to understand today's session. So as you can see in today's session, after this particular strong bullish candle, the support was present at the level of 30,389. As you can see, there are no long wick candle, but due to this extremely strong candle on the support level, you hardly see a strong momentum and size of the candle continuing beyond the support level. The resistance in today's session was this level, around 30,792. So that is where we are going to buy. We are going to buy about 30,800 around in Monday's session, and our target should be high of this particular level, which is equal to 30,145. Talking about selling, I can also see a decent selling opportunity around the level of 30,625, around that. And if Bank Nifty goes below that with decent volumes and also size of the candle should be sizable, then we can scale up your position around the level of 30,465. Now let us analyze Nifty 50. As you can see on daily chart, there is a strong breakout about to happen above the market price of 13,780. You can spot two long wick candle below that, which means Nifty 50 is finding it extremely difficult to go down. If we go to 15-minute chart and see the entire day's price action, as you can see, Nifty 50 was steadily trying to go up and near the breakout zone. As you can see, there is a lot of consolidation. See this particular bullish candle, it tried to break the high, but it was pegged back by sellers, and again Nifty went on making lot of attempts to break this high, which means that there is a optimism in the market that this level is going to break in future, and when it breaks I can see extremely sizable bullish momentum. We can even see 100 points jump in the price after this breakout zone is broken. Talking about selling, I can see this particular level around 13,730 as a decent buying level, and we should be closing our position around 13,690. Now it's time to see four stocks for tomorrow's session. First stock I have in the list is ICICI Bank. We can draw a trend line up to current market price. When we draw a trend line, we look for two things. There needs to be wick on the support level. As you can see, there are multiple wicks on the support level, and also volumes was drying up on the support level as well. We'll go to hourly chart. In hourly chart, one thing that can be detrimental to ICICI Bank breaking this trend line is this sizable bullish candle with the wick on the top side. Though this candle also has the wick on the bottom side, if ICICI Bank manages to go beyond the level of 519, which is high of this candle, I can see no problem for ICICI Bank to touch the level of 526. If we go to further lower and see 15-minute chart, as you can see, the last 15-minute candle was completely engulfed within this sizable bullish candle, which means that there is a optimism in buyers that this particular price is going to go up, not going to go down. Also, you can spot long wick candle. This was a resistance beforehand, and this is likely to be a support for ICICI Bank in Monday's session, which is along the level of 514 to 515. So hopefully in Monday's session we get a big breakout after trend line is broken in ICICI Bank. Second stock for Monday's session is State Bank of India. If you look at the daily chart of State Bank of India, You can also draw a trend line up to current market price, and this is a support level with negligible volumes. If we go to lower time frame, specifically hourly time frame, you can see the same price action. There are multiple support level. If this trend line does not get broken, what we can do is that we can wait for State Bank of India to go as low as 266 to 265, and then we can take a buy side trade up to the target up to 71. If we go to 15-minute chart here, you can see there was lot of consolidation, and I can see this particular level 277 acting as a support for the session. Let's see. Also, one thing that you have to see in 15-minute chart is there are a lot of long wick candle on this level, which is around 271 to 272, and this should be extremely important level if State Bank of India wants to break the trend line. We got to see strong bullish momentum with decent volumes above this particular level. Then we are going to see, and we are going to easily see State Bank of India challenging the level of 276 in Monday's session. Third stock for Monday's session is Torrent Power. Similarly to our two previous stocks, which are ICICI Bank and SBI, we can also draw a trend line up to current market price, and the support level can be found at the market price of 223. As you can see, volume have dried up. That's what we want. We want volume activity to be extremely low or decent when this trend line is formed, because this is going to act as a stimulus for buyers to come in, and we are going to see extreme bullish momentum with form of corresponding sizable candles as well. That is volume candles. In hourly chart, similar thing can be seen. This is a strong support level around 325. I'm trying to find out is there any level support level beyond 325, and I can spot level of 327 to 328 as a strong support level. You can see multiple long wick candle, and this is our trend line. Let us go to 15-minute chart to see what anomalies we can find in this trend line pattern. I cannot see anything here. 328 looks like a decent support level as well. We can also call this a demand zone, as you can see multiple long wick candle. So breakout out of trend line looks imminent in Torrent Power in Monday's session. As I always say, we have to see sizable bullish candle along with corresponding volumes in 5-minute chart like this. Then only we can take the trade, and then only this particular bullish momentum is going to last at least for a while, and it can even take out this high, which is equal to 332. As let us see what happens in Monday's session in Torrent Power. I am hopeful that we are going to even see levels of 336. To finish the list of stocks for Monday's session, I have another stock which is Gale, and we are going to trade a trend line pattern as well. As you can see, there is a drying up of volume when this trend line pattern is formed. Also, this is a support level along 124. If we go to hourly chart and try to find out any other levels, so again here the level of 122 to 123 looks like a strong support along with the level of 124. Let us go to 15-minute chart to see we can see anything which is different from hourly chart and daily chart. So here, so 124 can be established as a support level, and see this particular candle, the last 15-minute candle. The entire range is almost contained within this strong bullish candle, and it also has a wick on the bottom side, which means that price is struggling to go down. So Gale is definitely going to break this trend line and go for higher level. This should be around 128. Now let us see all the important levels in the stocks that we just saw for Monday's session. I have given multiple target. As always, you do not have to trade all of these. Just choose two of the four stocks so that it will be easy for you to track them throughout the session. Regarding targets, you can go for all the target, or you can even square up your position before first a second target as well. Regardless of that, learn the art of trailing your stop loss. It will allow you to gain more profit, as not only it books your profit at a certain levels, but it also allows you to earn more if price goes above that. Thank you for watching.